Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Do you want to take some time to admire what I've written right now? This is my new song, okay? So it's like, I'll do it forever in a minute. Ooh, 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 ooh. Da-da, da-da, da-da. I'm a chicken nugget, da-da, da-da, da-da. I'm a potato, stop being a dumbbell, bees can buzz. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, Pikachu, rose and slow, cat say meow. I'm 11 hickey years old. I am a cracker-lacking chicken. I know I have school, you don't need to tell me. No, what happened with the hickey years old? I don't know. I was gonna write I'm 11 years old, and as I was writing I'm 11 years old, that just appeared. Like, and I was like, what does that mean? So I'm gonna search it on the internet, you know? Later. Oh. No, it's not hike, it's just hike. It's not hike like in the walk. It's just like, you know, just hi, hickey. Apparently it's a bruise, but that's with an eye. So I don't know what a hickey is. I guess that's nothing. Guess it's how much you can nugget. Guess it's how much you can nugget, baby. I'm a chicken nugget. This is not even shine anymore. It's so annoying. Apparently I can. Don't pick. When you pick a YouTuber, don't pick me, of course. So just don't roast me right now. If you want to, pick your roast. Roast me in the comments section down below. I know not to play Pokemon Go whilst I'm driving, okay? Just know that. Because I think pretty much nearly everybody knows not to play it. I'm basically just trying to say, like, oh my god, Pokemon Go is so addicting. Because everyone plays it so much they play it whilst they're driving. I don't even want it. Come on. No. You must charge. That charges. That way this doesn't charge. Something don't charge. I don't see what's wrong with it. No, it's the other one. Or is it just my phone? Yeah, it was just the wrong way of putting it in. I'm gonna go now. Can I click like this? Pick a YouTuber and roast them. Yay.